Jai Hind, this is Rakesh Sahu from PSC Academy. Today we are going to discuss in national movement a fresh topic, the Calcutta session of Congress, which was held in 1906. This Congress session was presided by Dada Bhai Nauroji. In this Congress session, 4 resolutions were passed. First is indigenous or Swadeshi. Second one is boycott. Third one is dominion state or fundamental right. Fourth one is primary education. Here we are going to discuss a fresh topic, Calcutta session of Congress. Look at here. This is our country India. This is our country India. This is our country India. This is present Pakistan. Pakistan occupied Kashmir, Azad Kashmir, Aksai Chin, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, NCR, Delhi. This is Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. This is Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Sikkim, West Bengal, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. This is present Bangladesh. This is Calcutta. The present name of Calcutta is Kolkata. Here we are going to discuss Calcutta session of Congress, which was held in 1906. Which was held in 1906. This Congress session was presided by Dada Bhai Nauroji. Dada Bhai Nauroji. This Congress session was presided by Dada Bhai Nauroji. In this Congress session, as a result, 4 resolutions were passed. 4 resolutions were passed by absolute majority. The first resolution was indigenous or Swadeshi. Second resolution was boycott. The third resolution was dominion state or autocracy, or we can say fundamental rights. And the fourth resolution was primary education. Look at here. In the Calcutta session of Congress, which was held in 1906 in Calcutta and presided by Dada Bhai Nauroji. In this Congress session, 4 resolutions were passed. First one is indigenous, Swadeshi. It means consume the main objective of this word is consume the indigenous goods by the Indians. Consume the indigenous goods by the Indians. and boycott means boycott foreign goods by the Indians. The main objective of Britishers coming India was to trade. By Swadeshi movement, the backbone of the British government was to be broken. That's why there were two resolutions. Indigenous and boycott were passed. In this Congress session, indigenous and boycott resolutions were passed. Indigenous means consume indigenous goods by the Indians. Boycott the foreign goods by the Indian. Dominion state means autocracy. It means Indians would be provided the fundamental rights by the government of British. What is the meaning of fundamental right? The fundamental rights are right to equality, right to speech, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to religious freedom, right to preserve culture of India, right to protect fundamental rights. These are known as fundamental rights, or we can say dominion state, autocracy. The fourth resolution was primary education. The primary education was provided by the Indian National Congress to the Indian students. These are the four resolutions were passed in the Calcutta session of Congress. The Calcutta session of Congress, which was held in 1906, presided by Dadabhai Naoroji. In this Congress session, four resolutions were passed: indigenous, Swadeshi, boycott, dominion state or autocracy or fundamental rights, and fourth one is primary education. In the next class, we will discuss the next movement of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.